How to activate Tubi TV. Tubi offers free streaming of movies and TV shows across various devices. To start watching, you need to activate Tubi on your preferred device by following these steps. Step 1. Install the Tubi app. Go to your device's App Store, Roku Channel Store, Google Play Store, Apple App Store, etc. Search for Tubi and select the app. Download and install the app on your device. Step 2. Open the Tubi app. Locate the Tubi app on your home screen. Open the app to start the activation process. Step 3. Sign in or register. Click on Sign in or register to create an account. You can use an email, Google, or Facebook account to sign in. Step 4. Get the activation code. Once signed in, an activation code will appear on your TV screen. Note down this code as you will need it for the next step. Step 5. Visit the activation website. On a computer or mobile browser, go to tubitv.com/activate. Log into your Tubi account if prompted. Step 6. Enter the activation code. Type the activation code displayed on your TV screen. Click Activate to proceed. Step 7. Confirm activation. Your TV screen will refresh automatically. Once the activation is complete, you can start streaming Tubi content. You can now enjoy unlimited movies and TV shows on Tubi for free on your preferred device.